Hey guys, so my bestie said it like she's want to be like me, like this. Is create background this one. Here it is. And anyway, she's one. Whoa. Anyways, I have school. It's okay at least. Anyways, I'm just. So anyways, let's continue it. So first of all, the name in this one. This one. Light motion. This one, black, green. Yeah, like this. Yes, this one. Second of all, just click this one, X. Then just press this. And as you can see, the X, you see, create. And then create from stretch. Click. No, don't continue. So anyway, so you need to
mode, bro. Hold.
I'll teach you how to be. First of all, go to IP span. Second of all, to my. Don't mind. See, just draw it. Hey. See, it's very well clean, so don't ask why. Anyway, so let's continue it right now. First of all, just it creates a this. Oh my god. Now just don't copy me. Just draw it. Just draw it, but you need to do the brush. But anyways, draw you want. I'll draw some paper.
Ooh, my hood spot,
okay?
bro. Hold spot.
No. Okay, don't ask why I did this. So no. Let me see. Is it? Why did I do this? So anyways, they just don't copy me. Okay, I'm just drawing a derpina or derpy. Anyways, don't ask. So This is very ugly, you know. Oh, so that's why I made this. Oh my god, this drawing is... Guys, what should I do this? Like, don't ask what is this. This is very ugly. What is this, please? What is it? Guys,
人生
what
情
should
路
I
有，
do?
老天將
Guys,
Ooh, my hoot's boat! Bro, hoot's boat! Oh, Batura Makalunga. Wi-Fi no coming. Signal go, pish pish. Burrito Maharaja sit.
老天保佑今生。
Okay, so I need to draw this one. This one is very hard, but don't just copy me or what I'm doing. Just draw you want, not like me. Don't go. Okay. What is this? Why does bro look like that very ugly? Like you, what is this? This drawing might be hard. What is this? Bro, I don't know why. What is it? Guys, why I hate this? Guys, why I hate this? Okay, then I won't try with the... Because I don't not care. axe. Let's see. Oh, where's this legend? Okay, don't ask. What is this? What is this? Lips. Lips. Okay. 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 So, okay, I will make you desired. Destroy. Or maybe desire. That's all. Kriya, Kyoza goes Bia, Kapucha Bia, Dun Dun Dun. Kriya, Kapucha goes Bia, Kapucha Bia. Okay, so you just click this and you put it some save image, then click this fly type and then click pin ng and then click transparent RDK and just click this and this one. And then click OK. And now the image is saved. Now go to alight motion. I don't know. Okay, don't ask. And then click create the I don't know. Then I will tell you how to make a pouch.
My hoots boat, bro, hoots.
Okay, so I will help you how to make it. So add effects, then click any you want. Like don't click with a long pass because it needs because you need to pay. And now I will help you how to make it. So click any if you want crazy or scale and then click this. Oh, anyways, then you add this one. Oh,
老天保佑，金山银山全都有。
you click this. Anyways, so click this like the white one. What copy me what I'm doing, and then Okay, then that's all. Then click this if you want to.
Who the fuck is this little ass corny ass? Bro, who is this? Get off my damn screen!
This AD2.
Peekaboo!
Look at this. What the hell is this?
What the fuck is going on?
What is this? I'm crying.
Who the fuck is this little ass corny ass? Bro, who is this? Get off my damn screen!
The AI.
Peekaboo!
Wait.
What the fuck is going on? Who the fuck is this little ass corny ass? Bro, who is this? Get off my damn
Sorry,
screen!
guys, but basically,
Peekaboo!
I'm so bad. You know, sorry.
What the fuck is going
Just
on?
wait. AD.
老天保佑，金山银山前路有。
Just get out.
老天教唆别管江湖龙虎斗。 老天保佑，金山银山前路有。
I do not have.
老天教唆别管江湖龙虎斗。
Oh, look at this.
老天保佑，
Now
金
just
山银山前。
click the X. Now, do not leave. Then click this if you're done. Now do not click share. I don't know. Click save. Then that's all. Hope you enjoy. If you want tutorial, ask me to do it. But sorry, I can't do it if you guys need tutorial. Cause since I have school, I need to get weekend. So it's okay, guys. And now that's all. Hope you enjoyed.